So guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing this DJi Osmo Pocket tray, right? This is a popular camera, and it's among the camera that is trending right now. So I've been seeing so many creators talking about this, and they said it's nice, right? So I decided to get mine. So I contacted Ring Light of Lagos, and I told them I need one. Then they sent it to me. you know so I got my own 1.350 million naira, and some people actually say 1.4, 1.3, depending on the vendor that is sending yours, right? So I'll be unboxing this to actually show you guys the accessory that comes with this, right? So when I open it, you get to see everything that comes with it. But this particular one is combo, and normally combo comes with mic, so it comes with its own mic. So after making this video, I'm not going to be using this mic again. So let me show you guys what's exactly in this box. So see you in the other side of the screen. You're welcome back, guys, right? So I'm going to be opening it right now to see what is inside, right? So let's go. So easy. So I think this is the bag, and this side right here, okay, here is the camera itself. You can see, wow. Let me put it back. Okay, let me just open it though. How did it on itself? Okay, you can see it's booting up. So very simple. It's on English. So what else? We have the battery. This is the battery that you plug in together right here. I think it's the external battery or something like that. It goes this way, So this one is the mic, like the combo. This particular one is combo, as you can see right here, creators combo. It comes with mic, wireless mic that connects together with the camera. So this is the tripod. You can plug the tripod right here. Once you connect it, you can see it will stand this way, right? So let's check other things. This is for the mic. I think the mic filter or something like that. So it will go like this, right? So the next thing right here is USB cord. That is for charging the battery or something, either the battery or the mic. So this particular one is I don't know what this is though, but I think this particular one will be for the mic or something like that, or another external battery. So later I'll get to understand all of them. So I think everything in this bag has finished. Let me check this one. Okay, right here we have this is the protector. You understand? This is what actually protects it, in case if it falls on the ground, it will protect the camera for you. So these are all. I think it's finished. There's nothing else here. All right, so that's it. You can see Choco not finished. So these are all you expect when you buy this particular camera in Lagos, Nigeria. All right, so see you guys in the other side of the screen. Welcome back, guys. In case you want to buy your own Osmo Pocket tray, all you need to do is to chat me up with the WhatsApp number on the screen, right? And we're going to be giving you good offer, right? So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to end. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all, and don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.